Good Sunday morning, everybody. I'm headed up to Kempton, Pennsylvania for the Great Willys Picnic. Got some Jeep parts with me that will be for sale, some Willys parts. Wish I could have had my 52 wagon ready for this, but the XJ took up all my time, didn't get that ready. But I'm looking forward to seeing some cool CJs and old Willys wagons, Willys trucks. And I got my son with me, so it should be a fun time. And absolutely perfect weather.
Willys Picnic also had a great turnout for the swap meet. There were tons of great parts to be had, a couple good deals on some whole vehicles, and I was able to sell a few things myself. I also picked up a really cool old worn Bellevue winch. One of the cool things about this event is that it takes place at the WK&S railroad station, which is an operational little tourist railroad, and you can do about a 40-minute ride with whoever came along with you or with your fellow Jeep enthusiasts. Talking to the owner of this 1960 FJ3 fleet van, there were only 2,500 of these ever made, and every one of them was scheduled to be destroyed. He saved this one from the Fort Dix military base and has some really cool plans for it. Definitely looking forward to seeing this thing at shows in the future. Here's a few of my favorites from the show. Yes, that's a turbocharged V-twin Predator swap, and a couple of the most gorgeous Willys trucks of the day. Thanks for watching. We had a great time at the Willys Picnic this year. Looking forward to more Willys events with one of my actual Willys Jeeps next time. If you can make it out to this event next year, I hope to see you there.